my name is Veronika. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to our day 1 of your 7-day Inner Calm Meditation Challenge. Settle yourself into your space, find a comfortable seat or lay down in a way that feels fully supported. Let your jaw relax and your eyes gently close. Today we'll begin by grounding ourselves into the present moment and creating a strong, steady foundations for our 7 days ahead. We'll start with box breathing, a steady and calming breath to anchor your mind and the body. Breathe in through your nose for a slow count of 4. Hold gently for 4. Exhale softly for 4 and hold again for 4. Continue at your own pace. Inhale, hold, exhale, and hold. Let's take 3 more cycles together. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Breathe in, feel your breath, pay attention to your breath, hold. Exhale, let go and hold. We have 1 more round to go. Breathe in and hold. Feel your lungs nice and full. Exhale out. Hold. And now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness to the points where your body makes contact with the ground or whatever surface you're connected to. Notice the gentle weight of your body, the steadiness beneath you. If your mind wanders, which is completely normal, return to this feeling of connection. Imagine a warm golden light at the base of your spine, steady, radiant, and safe. With every breath in, this light grows stronger. With every breath out, any tension or restlessness melts away. Take these next few moments to simply be here in this breath, in this moment. Every breath in, this light grows even stronger. Every breath out, let yourself settle, let go, and melt away. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath. No forcing, no effort. You are safe. You are here. You are grounded. Notice how you feel calmer, steadier, more connected. Allowing these feelings to spread within your body. Allowing your body to become heavier and heavier with each exhale. More grounded, as if you're releasing layers of tension into the earth. Imagine roots extending down from your body, anchoring you into the ground. Notice the earth beneath you, steady, solid, and always holding you. Each breath bringing more stability, more calm. Feel your inhale fill up your lungs all the way to the top. Exhale, let go and relax. Soaking up this presence and stillness you've created. Feeling yourself calm, stable, and grounded as you breathe gently. Taking a few more rounds of breath, fully present, fully at peace. Giving your body another round of deep breath. Start to feel back into your body if you drifted away. Maybe adding some gentle movement, rolling your shoulders, or just sinking into your back, letting your back take a moment to relax. Take one deep breath in and long releasing breath out. Notice how you feel. Allow this grounding and calm energy to carry with you throughout your day. Thank you so much for joining me for day 1 of our 7-day meditation challenge. I hope you feel calm and centered. Definitely subscribe and hit that bell so that you get a notification when your new class is out, which will be tomorrow. So stay tuned for day 2. Mahalo and namaste.